Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to make French onion potatoes. You need to preheat your oven to 375 and go ahead and peel and cut into 1-inch pieces your russet potatoes. Set those aside. And in a large bowl, you need to combine French onion soup, 1 can, a pack of dry onion soup mix, and 1 stick of melted butter. Okay, stir that. You're going to take your potatoes and add them into the bowl. We are going to put these back in the baking dish. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand. You need about 3 pounds worth of potatoes, 2.5, 3 pounds. All right, now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cover it in foil. And you're going to cook these for about a half an hour. Then you're going to remove the foil. You're going to let them cook for 30 to 45 minutes, a little bit longer, basically. And I want you to take these out and stir them a little bit as you go. And then we're going to take it out. We're going to put some cheese on it and put it back in there. So go ahead and cook them for about 30 minutes. And then after that, start stirring them. Make sure they don't stick, okay? And then we'll take the foil off the last 15 minutes or so of cooking, or until they're done. We'll take that foil off. Okay, y'all. So it did not take long at all for these potatoes to get done. So your topping of choice is either Gruyere cheese or Swiss. And since I do everything on a budget, Swiss is probably going to be a lot cheaper in my area for sure. So what I decided to do is just go to my local Walmart, find sliced Swiss, Alright, so what you're going to do now is you're going to put all this back on here, and then you are going to cover it with foil again, and I have some foil, lightly, and you're going to put it back in the oven and let this melt because your potatoes are done. Okay, y'all, so this is it, straight out of the oven. It's still bubbly and everything. It smells great, and it melted perfectly. The only thing I would add was just a little bit of parsley as a garnish, but it's good to go and it's already ready for the table. I'm going to make you a really quick potato recipe. You need to preheat your oven to 400, and you need to chop up like 3 or 4 russet potatoes, the bigger ones that are like baking potatoes. If not, if you can't find that, just try to piece together some big, medium, small ones, and enough for about this amount. I think I ended up using 5 potatoes because I didn't have any more real big ones. And what you're going to do is you're going to drizzle them with olive oil, but it can be any oil. You're going to sprinkle a little bit of ranch dressing powder. Olive oil in my baking dish. You can use a cookie sheet. You're going to sprinkle everything with some garlic powder. Now I'm going to stir this a little bit. 400-degree oven. You're going to bake these for about half hour or so. And then we're going to take them out and you're going to sprinkle some cheddar on them and you're going to put them back and they're going to be ready to eat. Okay, y'all, so I took the potatoes out last couple of minutes. I put the cheese on, stuck it back in the oven, cut the oven off, and it melted it perfectly. So this is something real cheap to just dress up a cheap potato. You know, you get tired of having to make them 40 different ways. Here's just another way that you can kind of jazz them up a little bit, and that way they won't be the same old boring potato. I'll see y'all next time.